Dear friends, this is my tutorial 02. In this tutorial I am going to teach you how to calculate molarity of a solution using Merck Calculator. Earlier video I have made manual calculation of molarity of solution. Okay, so in this tutorial I am going to use this Merck Calculator. Okay, so this is very easy and a simple way to calculate the molarity of the solution, and you can make easily from this calculation. Okay, so I will show you some of the paper published in that journals. So they will also use this kind of solution to do the electrochemical applications, especially that oxygen reduction, OE and nitrogen reduction kind of things. So if you see in this paper PNAS, they used 0.5 m sulfuric acid and 0.1 m perchloric acid. So if you see this JAX paper also, they have used 0.5 m sulfuric acid electrolyte for that oxygen reduction reactions. Okay, so if you see this Nature Communication paper, they also used 0.1 m perchloric acid and 0.1 m potassium hydroxide bases also they used. Okay, so if you want to do this kind of electrochemical application, you have to prepare your perchloric acid solution or sulfuric acid or any other acid bases solution you have to prepare. So I will show you simplest way to make this kind of solution using the Merck Calculator. Okay, so this is the home page of the Merck Calculator. So I will show you how to calculate molarity using this Merck Calculator. Okay, open Google and go to Google the page. Here you can type go to the Sigma Rich web page. Okay, so here you can see different kind of this. Go to support. In the support page you can see calculator and apps. Okay, if you go to this page you will see different kind of things. So we want only the normality, the molarity calculator for acid base. This is the one. Just click this one. Here you will get this page. Okay, here you have to select your acid and bases. Okay, so first we will select our acid, sulfuric acid. Okay, if you click this one you will see different kind of acids. Okay, so we can use all acids. So first I will show you the sulfuric acid. Okay, so this is the sulfuric acid, this is the density of the sulfuric acid, this is the molecular weight, this is the percentage. Okay, this is the percentage of that sulfuric acid, that means purity. Okay, so here you have to mention your desired value. So if you want to 500 ml, just you can type 500 ml. So desired concentration is we want to molar only. In molar means, so we want only 0.5 molar. So in this paper, if you see that paper, they always use 0.5 m sulfuric acid for the electrochemical applications. Okay, just you can keep put this to value here, then you can click calculate. Okay, so now you will get your results. Okay, your stock solution of sulfuric acid is calculated to be 17.822 mole. Okay, and based on the density. Okay, this three value they have calculated the molarity. So if you want to make you the 0.5 m solution, so you have to take 14.027 ml of your stock solution, that means your sulfuric acid solution, into 125 ml of deionized water, then adjust the final volume into 500 ml with the deionized water. So, okay, so you have to take this much sulfuric acid and mix with 500 ml of sulfuric water. Okay, deionized water, then you will get your 0.0 m solution. So you can use this solution for your electrochemical applications. Okay, likewise we can also see perchloric acid. So this is the perchloric acid. So perchloric acid density is 1.66 and that formula weight is 100.46. this is the weight percentage. Okay, so in perchloric acid we want only 0.1. okay, 0.1 molarity. So if you see that paper, so perchloric acid they used 0.1 m. Okay, so just we will mention 0.1 m. Okay, 500 ml we need. Just we can click calculate. you will get the things. Okay, then you have to make a 0.1 m solution, slowly add 4.32 ml of your stock solution, so 120 ml of deionized water. Okay, and adjust volume to the 500 ml. You will get your 0.1 ml of solution. Okay, likewise you can calculate your acids and bases. Okay, so we can also calculate some other acid. So nitric acid also we can calculate. So nitric acid, if you want only the 0.5, okay, 0.5 molarity means, so this is the density, this is the formula weight, this is the purity of that one. Okay, here we want 500 ml, we want 0.5 molar. Okay, just to click calculator, you will get this result. So here you can see, to make 0.5 ml solution, slowly add 15.96 ml of your nitric acid, okay, into the 120 ml deionized water, and adjust to the final volume to make 500 ml with deionized water. Okay, so this is the method, simplest way you can calculate using this Merck calculator, make it is useful. Okay, so if you want your base solution also, that is potassium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, there also use potassium hydroxide. So if you click that potassium hydroxide, the density of the potassium hydroxide is this one, and it's the formula weight, and this is the weight percentage, that is the purity. Okay, so we want only how much we want, just we will see that the potassium hydroxide 0.1 m. Okay, so 0.1 we can choose, so just we can calculate. So here see, so that we want to make 0.1 solution, slowly add the 4.282 ml the stock solution. Actually this is the potassium hydroxide, the commercially available in this percentage. Okay, if you directly purchase this one, you have to use this method to make your 0.1 m solution. Okay, so you take this 4.28 ml and add to the 500 ml of the deionized water, you will get your 0.1 m of sodium potassium hydroxide. Okay, similarly you can calculate other solvents also, there are different kind of bases also is there, just you can make use of it. Okay, so this is the very useful calculator, just you can use it. So I will share this link to our description box, you people can use it. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my content, please like, subscribe, and comment and share, and also please click the bell icon for my future video update. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy. Please share this video your experimental people's researchers. Thank you.